Hello, everybody. Happy New Year to you. I just want to say hello and say quick Happy New Year to you. You see the background? There's snow-capped mountain in Los Angeles, California, and this year will be wonderful for you. If you have struggled with health issues such as skin problems, rashes, raw skin, and that just crazy itchiness that you scratched yourself till bleeding many times, and you have severe back pain or highly inflammatory problems or gut health, any of those can be resolved all naturally. So this year will be very different for you. I have a lot of things coming up for you. I was reflecting how 2021 has been for me, and I was looking at the log that I did for about 80 weeks when I was really sick with undiagnosed illness that I was too tired to work, and I was just mostly laying on the couch because that's all I could do. And I was also looking back even further that I was struggling with dermatitis since I was a kid, and I was on steroid for 3 decades. So it's the raw skin, the redness, and just itchiness, and which made me really shy about going in public. But when that magical steroid stopped working after 30 years, I just didn't know where I'm gonna go from there. But that was back in 2014, and look at me now, that I haven't used any kind of medication since 2015, and I even dropped all the supplements I took. It's been a couple of years, and I'm thriving. So I wanted to share this good news with you, and that problem that you might be having now, whether it's your skin problem or your back pain or joint pain, or you're just so tired that you don't have energy, you don't know whether you can get it out or not. I'm here to tell you that you can, and I've done it. My mother has done it. She reversed her severe back pain that she couldn't even stand up straight for a couple of hours when she woke up in the morning. And these days, she goes hiking. She's going to her, like one of her favorite Korean singer called Im Young-eun. She's going to his event and stuff, and which is awesome. So I spent a lot of time giggling on the phone with her. She lives in Korea and I live in California, so which is awesome. So I'm really looking forward to taking more trips next year since the COVID will be more open. But that means that you have to have strong immune system to travel with confidence without getting sick, right? So I'm gonna teach you a lot about that this year. A lot of good things coming, and I have some fun live events coming up for you. So make sure you sign up to my newsletter at hungrygopher.com and subscribe to this channel so you can empower yourself with proven system that will reverse your chronic problems that you have, chronic health problems that you have. I'll show you step by step and share a lot more tips and empowering science that I implemented in my life to reverse so-called that I couldn't reverse, right? Though I was never told that I would never get off steroids since I was a child, and here I am. I've been off steroids since 2015, so there you go. So I'm gonna teach you a lot about that. So make sure you sign up to my newsletter and leave a comment. See what you wanna achieve, especially health-wise, this year, 2022, right? Wow, that's crazy. That's awesome. It's gonna be awesome year for you. I'm so excited to share more of the empowering science that's been proven. So I'm so excited to share that with you so you can get even healthier. And if you're struggling, you get healthier this year. You get there because that's all in you. So I'm gonna teach you how to trigger those good genes, turn on those good genes so you can be healthy. And when you visit hungrygopher.com, download top 3 anti-inflammatory recipes to heal your gut. So gut health is one of the pillar of reversing all the problems, health problems you might be facing now, especially skin. If you have a lot of problem on skin, skin is the biggest organ on your body, so that's a big warning sign. So, all right, I'll see you again next week and have a wonderful Happy New Year.